lot of homeowners and business owners don't realize that when they have a loss, appliance leaks in their home, they've got a leak in their business, that they can make 2 phone calls. They can make a call to their insurance company, but they can also make a call to a restoration company. And it's really important to get a restoration company out there first for 2 reasons. One, to minimize any damage that's occurred immediately. And the second is to find out if it's even something that's claim worthy.
95% of the customers that we have don't know where to take it with the insurance companies. And that's where we come in. We want you to understand how this is going to work, how we're your representative for the insurance company, and we're going to turn around and do our best to make you understand the flow. There's a lot of people that have been in here a long time that understand insurance policies, and know what questions to ask.
Part of what we do, our service, is to educate you how to walk through that insurance process. And the great thing about Spangler Restoration is we're going to come out at no cost and help guide you and help give you the information. So there's no reason why you can't call a restoration company first.